Look over my flowers, pet my dogs, take letters from mailbox, leave them cold, then open the windows, let the air say hi to my children. Passons, passons, passons. place. If we knew we are the worst of it. Yes, we know, we know, we know. Yes, we know, we know, we know. We surely know, we know, we know. Yes, we know. We could be better than we are. If you could see that the end was always near. Just let it go, it go, it go. Just let it go, it go, it go. Let it go, it go, it go. Let it go. So fuck this world, he said. I've never been a fan of this universe anyway. Oh, shut up, Jim. You live like you're already dead. No one cares if you care. And it's goddamn true that we feel this way. Cause we love that pain, we love to feel this way. Cry me a river, Jim. Cry me a beautiful fucking river. Till I see the ocean. Till I see the ocean. See the ocean. This could be such a lovely place. If we knew we are the worst of it. eyes, young faces, safe waterfalls. Heaven stored up by horses rolling in the sky. Oh Jesus Christ, what the fucking
Shameless clouds, won't you
step foretold. We discovered rabbits, habits, and we changed it into money. Money brought us peace of fate. Maybe we should stick to giving up, to giving up, to giving up, to giving up, to giving
If you find yourself all alone or in prison, whether behind bars or inside your mind, there is a plan. There is a plan, there's a way out. It's all happening the way it should. If you're behind bars, inside your mind, there is a plan. If you feel yourself tied down or in danger, if it's on the tracks inside your heart, all that will pass. All that will pass, there's a way out. It's all happening the way it should. If you're tied down inside your heart, all that will pass. If you push yourself to the edge and feel like jumping, if it's 10 flights up or even more than that, just hold on. Just hold on, there's a way out, there is a plan, all that will pass. If you're on the edge and feel like jumping, just hold on. If you've taken yourself underwater and you aren't breathing and you are drowning in your life, there's something more than that. Just hold on, there's a way out. It's all happening the way it should. If you're underwater and you aren't breathing, there's more to that.